everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Yes, it is a little windy today outside, but still beautiful day for a barbecue. And today we want to show you how to make a barbecue chicken kebab, the taste of Lebanon. So let's start here. What I have here, boneless, skinless chicken breast, fresh chicken breast, and we're gonna slice it now. We're not gonna cut it cube. Pretty much we're gonna cut it rectangular. And let's start with the first here, the last piece here. So one, here we go, and ready to go in the mixing bowl. Now we're gonna do the marinade, and that's the most important in the chicken kebab. It's the marinade, right? So let me bring my gadget here and fire it up. I'm firing it up without turning it on. See? There you go. And what do we have here? I'm gonna put a little bit of peppers in, and I have some, why I don't bring it here, less work. Here we go. And I have some fresh garlic. Don't be cheap on the garlic. Garlic very important in the chicken kebab. And I have jalapeno, a little bit onion, olive oil, and a fresh lemon juice. Voila. And I'm gonna add some salt and the pepper, and the pepper I'm using is gonna be a coarse pepper, which is a little bit chunkier than a regular black pepper. And every one has an adjustment, either the top or the bottom, so you release the adjustment. The more you release the adjustment, the bigger the pepper comes out. Voila. And I'm using here cooking white wine, just in case if some people doesn't like the alcohol. So the cooking white wine. I'm gonna add some paprika. Paprika, not for the flavor, for the color. And dry oregano. And let's give it some chop. Now the one here I have, it's 2 speed. Now I'll move it to the higher speed. Nice. That's what we're looking for. Here we go. Put it on the side. Now let's bring the chicken here. Yummy. That's gonna be yummy marination. Now let's give it, mix it well. And it's very important to marinate the chicken for at least 3 hours. Overnight it's much better, but minimum 3 hours you marinate your chicken, so it can take all the flavor from the garlic and the wine and the herbs. So now it's ready. Let's put it on the side. Now we're gonna cut the vegetable for it, and when we're cutting the vegetable, you gotta make sure the vegetable, you're gonna cut it same thickness of the chicken. Why? Because when you put the skewer on the barbecue, so both the meat and the vegetable can touch the grill. Otherwise the vegetable will be cooking the chicken higher, or the opposite. So I'm gonna show you here. Here you go. It's a rectangular shape as well. And we're gonna do some all color pepper. Gonna be red, yellow, orange, and some onion as well. Now for the skewer I'm using the cedar wood skewer. Yes, you can use the metal skewers or the bamboo skewers, but I'm using the cedar wood skewer. So when you put it on the barbecue, usually you soak it in the water to prevent burning, but I want it to burn because the cedar, when it's burned, gives you the natural smoke, hickory flavor into your food, which is to the kebab. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the chicken first. What I have here, we'll start with 1 chicken, 1 onion, and 1 chicken, 1 pepper. So 1 chicken, 1 vegetable, 1 chicken, 1 vegetable. So that's how it looks like, chicken kebab. Now I have the mini bell pepper, sweet bell pepper. Might as well to put few on the barbecue beside the chicken. Start with the first chicken and the pepper beside it. So your barbecue on the medium high, about 4 to 5 minutes each side. Yummy, look at this. I can live for the rest of my life on this type of food. Look at this, beautiful, nice, yummy. Peppers, oh yeah, nice. The peppers ready to go. Look at that beautiful pepper here. Let's put it on the side. This one as well. And a couple more minutes for the chicken and should be ready to eat. Voila, beautiful, nice, look at this. So was about 5 minutes first when we put it on. We flip it and was another 6 minutes and good to go. And if you're not too sure, just cut one piece of chicken, make sure it's cooked all the way through, and nicely done here. Look at this beautiful chicken. Now let's put 1 pepper in the middle. Yum, look at that. Yum. Wow. It's amazing flavor, amazing taste, full of flavor. So it's all yours to enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time. Take care.